Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can activate bedtime mode on Infinix cell phone. So to activate bedtime mode, go to settings and click on digital well-being and parental control. Here scroll down and click on bedtime mode to set it up. Well, it helps you sleep well by silencing your device, dimming the wallpaper, and changing the screen to black and white during the bedtime hours. It also gives you the freedom of turning on or off the Do Not Disturb feature during the bedtime, which means no random calls will reach you except the ones you allow. Also, alarms can wake you up if you have set it up. Anyhow, click on Next. Here, you can schedule your bedtime by selecting the weekdays and daily start and end time. Then click on Done. Well, if you are comfortable allowing it to access your app usage and sensor data, you can click on Allow. Since I'm not, I'm clicking on Don't Allow. Now the bedtime mode is on, and this is how your screen will look like. Anyhow, whenever you like, you can make changes in its routine by changing its time here. And since I don't want to turn it off during the alarm, I'm turning this option off. Also, if you want to turn off bedtime mode totally, you can just select None. Moreover, you can customize it regarding the Do Not Feature option and screen options, which includes changing the screen to black and white. And this is how you can activate bedtime mode on Infinix cell phone, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.